Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of adventure touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel and off-road exploration. It's powered by a 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers a thrilling performance, perfect for highway cruising and tackling challenging terrain. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the 1290 Super Adventure S is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the 1290 Super Adventure S comes with a host of advanced features, including a large TFT display, adaptive cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The bike also features spacious panniers and a top case for ample storage space. Design and aesthetics. The 1290 Super Adventure S has a rugged and adventurous design, with a sharp and aggressive look. Its high ground clearance, long travel suspension, and knobby tires give it a capable and off-road ready appearance. Target audience and relevance. The 1290 Super Adventure S is ideal for riders who are looking for a powerful and versatile adventure touring motorcycle. Its advanced technology, off-road capabilities, and luxurious features make it a top choice for those who want to explore new horizons. Expert reviews. The 1290 Super Adventure S has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The 1290 Super Adventure S is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium adventure touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other adventure motorcycles. When compared to other popular adventure motorcycles, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S stands out for its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and advanced technology. Its reverse gear, traction control, and electronic suspension adjustment make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is a well-rounded adventure touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for long-distance travel and off-road exploration. So, if you're looking for a powerful and capable adventure motorcycle, the 1290 Super Adventure S is definitely worth considering.